Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make slime, and this is not, you'll see. You need a bowl. I'm mixing, just using this. Salt. This Lava 3-in-1 watermelon. And the Solomon 2-in-1. First you want to pour it in the Solomon. You can pour in how much you want. Don't pour in a lot. And then you want to pour in this one. This one, I'm sorry, I'm showing it so close. You want to pour in the same amount you poured in for the Solomon. And then you want to mix it. And it starts to get like slimy. And then you want to pour in the salt. Don't pour in that much. Keep on mixing it. And look at that. Doesn't even touch. And you can like pick it up. And I got this idea from Slime Masters 01, I think. I'll put their description box below. I give credit to them. So yeah, there's your slime. Doesn't even get on your hands, but kind of, but doesn't really. And then you can pick it up with something. And like you can drag it down to your hands. And just like, if you do that, that's not going to help it. The secret ingredient is water. You want to wash your hands, and then you want to touch it. And that's how to make slime. But if you do that, this will happen. So yeah, really cool. So I'll put it in the description box below. So thanks so much for watching this video. The only ingredients are those two and salt. And the salt is in there, so yeah. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.